everyone, welcome back to the Department of Design and Merchandising Textile Lab. Today we're going to be doing our Colorfastness to Laundering test. So we're going to prep all our materials. I've got mine here. We're going to need our fabric with our special fabric swatch with all the different 7 fibers on it. We're going to need our laundering solution, our 50 steel balls, some water, and the container we're going to use to put it in our Launder-Ometer machine. So we are doing the AATCC test method 61 to 2013. We're doing test 2A, but there are different tests, so make sure we check beforehand which test we need to do with our fabric, because each one will have different temperatures, different fluid amounts, etc., etc. So for test 2A, we're going to take our canister. We're going to scoop 15 milliliters of our laundry powder here, pour it into the canister, and then we're going to take our 150 milliliters of water and we're going to pour it into the canister. And then the solution will look like that. Give it a little mix to make sure all of the solution dissolves, just like that. Now we're going to take our 50 steel balls, already counted out, and we're going to pour it into the canister. And then last but not least, we're going to take our test fabric. We're going to lay that flat out on a table. We're going to take our fiber samples and we're going to lay it on top of that. And then we're going to take a piece of yarn or string and we're going to use that to loosely tie it around our 2 fabrics so they hold together like that. And then we're going to put it in our canister. Now we're going to take the lid to our canister, put it on top like that, and then we're going to secure it in place. So now we're at our Launder-Ometer machine. We're going to come over here to the control panel and we're going to power it on. Now it's coming up on this dash. This dashboard is going to be how we control the machine. It's got all the different ISO and AATCC testing on there. We've got ours already set up to the one we need. And now we're going to hit the open and close button to open the door. So inside of here is where we're going to be placing our canisters for the test. We've already got one in here. So we're going to place the bottom of these canisters right on the middle of these springs, and we're going to use these little notches to hold it in place. So you're going to press down and then turn so it locks in place nice and steady like that. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to hit close the door, and then after the door closes, we're going to run the test. I'll show you once again on the control panel that you can change the temperature, you can change the time. 45 minutes is the standard for the test we're going to be running today. So I've already got that set up. 49 is the temp, and then all you have to do is hit run. So now you can see and hear that the test is running. It'll have real-time count on how long it's been running for. 45 minutes is what our goal is at. At any time, you can hit stop here or there to stop the machine, or emergency stop in case of emergency, of course. We didn't have the portion in here filled with water because we didn't need to for this test, but if you ever needed to, we've got a fill water and a drain water button right there. Thanks, guys.